if you want to grow your business using your personal brand and social media in general, you need this. If you don't have it, nothing else will follow. I'm talking about CTAs. CTA stands for Call to Action. No customer will ever follow anything if you don't tell them what to do. So, what is a CTA exactly? Everything you click basically is a CTA. Every link, every post that tells you to do something, every comment that somebody tells you to do, every DM, all this. So, why do we need CTAs exactly? Think about it from the customer's or client's perspective. If you just talk to them, maybe they want to buy from you. But if you don't have a CTA, if you don't have a link in place to get them where they want to go, they can't become your customer. So if you want to use social media and your personal brand that you've possibly already built, you have to use CTAs. I use CTAs in so many different places. People can't overlook them. They just have to take action if they got enough value from that point on. So, what are possibilities for a CTA? Common CTAs are placed in possibly your Instagram bio, on post descriptions, in a video description, like mine, for example. You can check it out down below if you want to see how I use CTAs in my descriptions. You can use it on your profiles, on your banners, for example on LinkedIn and X, on your banner. You can use it on your pinned posts. You can use it in your Instagram carousels, in your TikToks, in your shorts. Tell somebody to comment, tell somebody to DM you, set up automations afterwards. There are so many possibilities. So, why are CTAs so important? CTAs are the second step for every single client that wants to get in touch with you personally. First step is always the content or the outreach, no matter what you do. Second step is clicking on a CTA that you've placed strategically so that people can go the next step. So CTAs are really important if you want to get customers and clients from your content. Place them everywhere, but don't overdo them. So what do I mean by that? Everywhere, I mean one at each place. Do one in your Instagram bio, do one on each Instagram carousel, each Instagram reel you post, use it for some stories. Okay, so everywhere once, but don't do a video with 3 CTAs in it. People won't get the twist and just won't take action because they have too many possibilities. In the end of your video, for example, put one CTA, tell them to comment something, tell them to click the link in the bio, no matter what it is. Just tell them one thing to do, because people don't remember that much. Tell them one thing to do and you have the chance that they do it. If you get enough data afterwards, after some time, you can see how many views convert to a link click, for example, and start to optimize for that. But you just need data first. Same for me. So, next up, that's about everywhere, but not too much. Too much, I mean, as I said, don't post it every single time the same thing or doubling down, tripling down in a single post. So for example, take a LinkedIn post. If you have a LinkedIn post, you can use one CTA in the end. Tell them to comment something, tell them to sign up to a newsletter via link, tell them to DM you a special keyword that triggers an automation, no matter what it is, but don't use multiple ones. Back to the everywhere, you need your CTAs in as many places as possible. For me, for example, on LinkedIn, I have it in my banner, I have it tagged on my profile description, I have tagged on each post my CTA, and I have tagged a CTA on 2 featured posts I have on my LinkedIn profile. Each and every place is obtained by a CTA. This gives me the highest probability that the viewer that just got value will convert to the next step. So, if you want to learn more about this, click the link in the description. There will be a link to my 10-day, 10 lessons email course about content creation and how you can build your brand so it is optimized for business. Strategic CTA placement is day 1, so you will already have an introduction to it. So sign up there, it's completely free, just your email. See you next time.